Hello and welcome back to our Flash series. We are in chapter 12, adding sound to your movies, and this video is all about adding sound effects to buttons. Now, we've already looked in previous videos how buttons can have different states, these being up, down, over and hit. But we can also add sound to these states as well. So a sound could be heard on the rollover, that's the over state, and on the click of a mouse, such as the down state respectively. We usually use short sounds for these features. So let me show you how to do that. Well, let's for the moment just close up the sound layers. And by all means, if you want to put padlocks on them, you can. So let's just close that up and open up stage graphics. Now, we're going to be wanting to look at these buttons, which are obviously these here. We need to take the padlock off. Now, once the padlock is off, I'll need you to select the button but not the arrow. So we've got that. Double click on the button. And we come into this state here. Now, you'll need to move over to the over state, and you're going to need to select the blip. So to do that, if we've got that selected in there, we come over to sound like we've done before, and we're looking for blip, and we want to have event, so everything is set up there. Now, the fact that we've got that done, we can exit the edit area now and go back to scene 1. We don't need to edit the other button, as both buttons are instances of the same symbol. So by editing one instant, the other one is automatically done. So let's go back to scene 1. And let's have a look at our handiwork. So we'll go to Control, and from there we're going to go to Test Movie in Flash Professional.
Bassist, composer, and grid in our 2008 showcase series.
Okay, so I should now be able to hover over either button and you should be able to hear a blip. So there we've gone and done it. We've gone and added a sound to a button. Have a go at that and we'll come back and continue to develop this stage. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.